Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here to our device, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here just fast and correct. We can unlock the device less than 1 second. This is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.